Yeah, I'm actually sitting with an ice pack right now. It is the hottest day. Hello and welcome back to What's Sewing On. Title pending. I want to apologize for the demon dishwasher in the background of the audio in my intro. It basically sounds like Chicago played backwards.
Oh my God, Chicago kicks ass.
I didn't realize the dishwasher was on, and I also didn't want to re-record me reading a pattern for the very first time. You're just lazy. So as I mentioned in my last video, I'm going to make a dress out of a pattern. So I picked this pattern up at my local thrift store. I really like dress B and D. So B looks like A, which goes to the ankle. So I think I want more just below the knee. But for this pattern, I think I actually want like a ruffle on the bottom. I have to see how much fabric I actually have. And if I have enough, I'm going to be doing that. But as you can see, it's not on this pattern, so it's something I'm adding. So this pattern has buttons all the way down. I don't know why I can't just pick a dress that doesn't have buttons. And dress B doesn't have sleeves, but I really like the puff sleeves here, but I think I want to make them longer. So I'm going to see if I can do that too. So I'm using a pattern, but I'm altering it. So I haven't read this yet. I haven't even taken it out of the packaging yet. So I hope it's all here, or I'm not going to be doing it. I've also never read a pattern before. Which one's page 1? That says page 3. Français. No. Oh, anglais. Oui. Where do you even start to read? What is a nap? What is this? I am between like 3 sizes. So I'm going to go with dress D. Oh my God. Do I cut this? What would my grandmother do? I feel like she'd say cut the bitch, but I think I'm gonna trace it and cut it out. I don't wanna lose pieces or whatever else you can do with these. There's just so many. I don't even know how this goes back together. Did I already screw up? This audio is gonna be so crinkly. Sorry. Is that it? Is there only one sheet? Oh no, there's the other one. No, there's also interfacing. For what? I gotta do what? Open fabric to cut with the right side up. Wait, what? Right side up? Why would you cut with the right side up? Okay, wait. Why is there... Grade seam allowances by cutting to graduated widths and interfacing. I feel like that's missing some directions. Clip curves. Okay, I get that. Sticking to the paper. Okay, that's side front, side back. Looking for front. Why does it say omit buttonholes for view D? Why would I omit buttonholes? Buttonholes. Why do I omit them? Well, on my last dress, I put the buttonholes properly where they're supposed to go, so Fine, I will omit your damn buttonholes. Okay, so this seems straightforward. So I'm going to go show you the fabric. I'm going to trace these out and then start cutting.
Ooh, doing better.
Don't forget to take these off. Seriously, don't forget. It's like a bathrobe. What? It's not supposed to be a wrap dress. There's so much room. What? This is supposed to be in the middle. Balls. Wanted to give an update. I finished the sleeves last night. I just have to put on the armbands, but I realized that I already sewed it wrong, so I just went to bed. But if you want to see my process of how I've been doing this, it's basically like this. This is supposed to be on the inside. Where's the notch? Where's the other part of the sleeve? Wait, this isn't even the same material. Where's the part that they said? Why does this side look nice? And this like a dumpster fire? I don't have a notch there. Is there supposed to be a notch there? What's that notch? Close contact dog breath is known to strengthen thread while buttonhole making. It is always beneficial to use cat to press all seams. Use cat to press garment before completing hemline. This is to ensure clean lines. I use cat to create a ruffled hemline. Please check with your local feline employment laws before each use. The dress is finished. It was a lot harder than I thought. It was so much larger than what it should have been. And even now I had to take apart the dress twice to resize it. So I don't know if transferring from the pattern to paper or from paper to fabric or from cutting, I don't know where I went wrong, but somewhere along those lines, everything was just so big. The neckline was just not lining up. It was just gaping forward. It's still, this side still is gaping a bit. I ended up having to put double interfacing in all around the neckline to make it sturdier. And then there's also fabric underneath there. So that's 2 pieces of interfacing and 2 pieces of fabric. And it's still not completely perfectly sized. I added the ruffle to the bottom of the dress, just with the extra fabric. And I ended up putting a tie on the back of the dress as well. The dress itself is still too big, but I added the tie in the back just to kind of cinch the waist, so at least I'd still have a bit of a fuller skirt. But without the tie, it looked like almost a house coat. It was pretty large, at least just in the back, so whatever. I hope you liked this dress that I made. I will link the pattern below if anybody wants to take a look at it, or if you have made it before, you can let me know if you found the dress was a lot larger than the size in the back, because I want to know if that's a me thing or if it's a pattern thing. See you in the next video. I don't know if this pattern's making me hotter or if it's just because it's this freaking weather. Okay, I can do this.